Mini devoted one line in the middle of its SEMA press release to the limited edition Ice Blue Cooper S hardtop on show at SEMA. We'll give it a few more lines. The Ice Blue Hue hasn't been available since 2013, and Mini's being coy about how long the color will hang around. Available on two-door Cooper models, the Ice Blue package adds optional features beyond color, like custom wheel caps and Mini connected, and adds a few $1,000s to the MSRP depending on which Cooper you start with. Ready for the big Mini news? The John Cooper Works tuning kit will soon be available for Cooper S and Cooper S All 4 Countryman and Clubman. Before now, the kit could only be had for the Cooper S hardtop and convertible. The kit juices horsepower up to 208 horsepower from 189 horsepower, and throws in another 14 pound-feet of torque to top out at 221 pounds-to-foot. The stainless steel exhaust reduces exhaust gas back pressure, and can be controlled via Bluetooth for Sport or Sport Plus auditory response. Sport, we're told, is safe for any road, while Sport Plus makes a track-only kind of cacophony. The backhand growl gets piped through either chrome or carbon fiber tailpipes. The JCW tuning kit goes on sale in January 2018 for $1,950, and can be installed at any Mini dealer,